Category B, criteria based on performance, indicative and illustrative. Part 3A, mobilization of society for social infrastructure and spreading social awareness among children. First of all, certification from Headmaster, Government High School, Sector 53, Chandigarh. Conducted inter-school GK quiz on child rights in the presence of Nobel laureate Shri Kailash Satyarthi ji, Member of Parliament Srimati Kiran Kher ji, and Education Secretary Shri B.L. Sharma ji, to make students and their parents aware about the rights of children. Prepared a special act on cashless Chandigarh, presented in state-level Republic Day function at Parade Ground, Chandigarh, and making the general public aware about cashless transactions. Organized Beti Bachao function in which DPI Shri Rubinder Jeet Singh Barad, PCS, was the chief guest. Presented a play on environment conservation to motivate students to preserve environment. Conducted a quiz on Child Rights and POCSO Act organized by Chandigarh Commission for Protection of Child Rights to enable the students understand their rights. Prepared a play on the life of Mahatma Gandhi on 1st October 2017 to bring forth the values and ideals set up by Mahatma Gandhi for the countrymen. Prepared a play on Save Trees which was presented in the presence of Education Secretary and Conservator of Forests to make the students and their families aware about saving environment. Organized blood donation camp in school on several occasions and motivated my friends and parents of students to donate blood for the social cause. Prepared a play to highlight the importance of blood donation. Organized anti-cracker rally in Sector 53 and Phase 3 Mohali. Organized essay writing and poster making competition and launched Save Fuel campaign in school so that the students know the value of fuel and its conservation. A tree plantation drive to motivate students to preserve environment was held at GHS 53 in which Sri Santosh Kumar, Conservator of Forests, was the chief. Gave pledge to students to participate in Swachh Bharat mission and also make their family members aware about keeping their surroundings clean. Launched a special campaign on Swachh Bharat mission and giving pledge to students in morning assemblies. Organized a special session in morning assembly to enable students to develop scientific temper and eradicate superstitions around them in the society. Celebrated Cyber Crime Awareness Week in the school and students were sensitized about cybercrime. Martyrdom Day celebrated to make children aware about those who laid their life for the country and imbibe the spirit of nationalism amongst them. Launched Save Bird campaign in school in May 2015, motivated students to put kasore on school roof and playgrounds and fill them daily to develop a feeling in them to love Mother Nature. Organized CII Nanni Chha Tree Plantation Week in Government High School, Sector 53. Organized a special activity on Mother's Day at school by making students stand in straight lines to make the word Ma in Hindi. This way, try to develop love in their hearts for their mothers. Celebrated International Literacy Day at Government High School Sector 53 in order to make the students aware about the role of education in making our nation stronger and progressive. organized essay writing competition and debate on the topic crime against women so that the students develop respect against women. Launched Save Bird campaign in school in May 2016. Launched Save Bird campaign in school in May 2017. Launched Save Bird campaign in school in May 2018. I always motivated my students to put kasore on school roofs and playgrounds and fill them daily so that they develop a feeling of care and affection for living beings. Organized poster making competition on the theme Save the Girl Child. Organized a special campaign on the theme Importance of Education on 27th November 2018 during parent-teacher meeting to make parents aware about the importance of education such that they may admit their wards to school. Carried out Swachhta Abhiyan in school premises. Celebrated International Literacy Day by holding special sessions in morning assembly and classes. Organized rally in Sector 53 and Phase 3 Mohali to spread awareness about blood donation. Organized rally to spread awareness about Beti Bachao. Organized CII Nanni Char Tree Plantation Week from 14 to 18 July 2017. Organized a rally to make the general public aware about Save Energy. Presented a special act on Cashless Chandigarh before Shri Chanchal Singh, Deputy Director Schools at Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sector 18. Conducted painting competition and motivated students about right to vote and encouraged them to persuade their parents and family members to vote in 2014 MP elections. Conducted a rally in Sector 53 Chandigarh and Phase 3 Mohali to make the general public aware on the topic Save Fuel, Save Money and Save Environment. This way, I have been trying to mobilize community for school infrastructure and make the parents and the students socially aware. Thank you.